Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to display multiple images for Shopify products. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. First, what we need to do is head over to our online store, and once we are there, you will be able to realize that we need to click on customize and then to add multiple images for Shopify products. You can add your different images, like for example image with banner, or you can add a collage, and that is going to include a lot of pictures. You can see multiple products images are now displayed. So that's how easy it is. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix your issues. So yeah, that is it for this one, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.